So, students, today we discuss the next topic, the size of the virus. We have discussed the virus and we have discussed the history of the virus. What is the virus? Who discovered the virus? Who crystallized the virus? Who it's called the Contagium vivum fluidum. The first plant virus discovered plant virus. The first discovered animal virus. This is the virus history. Today we discuss the size of the virus, the structure of the virus and the reproduction of virus. Clear? So firstly we discuss the size of virus. The size of virus, we know very well the virus are the smallest than bacteria. Virus are smallest than bacteria and few virus are bigger in size and few virus are the smaller in size. Clear? So virus have the small size as compared to bacteria because they are filtered, the bacteria to filter. So smallest plant virus is the satellite tobacco necrosis virus. Satellite tobacco necrosis virus, TNV. It is a STNV. We can in short form we are STNV. It is the short form, satellite tobacco necrosis virus. So what is the satellite tobacco? It is what the meaning of the satellite virus. We are study the virus types. The type is a satellite virus. What is the satellite virus? Virus that depend upon the another virus for the multiplication called the satellite virus. A virus that is depend on the another virus for the multiplication, for the reproduction, that is known as the satellite virus. So we can say the satellite virus is depend on the tobacco necrosis virus, TNV. Satellite virus is depend on the TNV virus for the multiplication. So it is the smallest than TNV. So it is known as the smallest plant virus, satellite tobacco necrosis virus. It causes a disease in the tobacco plant. Second, the longest plant virus. Largest plant virus, it is the citrus virus in lemon family, represent the second virus. Third one is the CTV. It is known as CTV. It is known as the CTV. Third one is the smallest animal virus. The first discovered virus is the animal virus, that is the foot and mouth virus. It is known as the FMV, foot and mouth virus. So it is known as the FMV. Largest animal virus is the pox virus, chicken pox. You know very well the pox virus. Different type pox are you know very well. The chicken pox, small pox, the chicken pox, the small pox. The pox virus is the largest virus, animal virus, bigger in size. And it is a complicated animal virus, a virus that is very complicated. The structure is very complicated and that is the parrot fever virus. Known as the parrot fever virus is known as the complicated virus. Clear? These are the size of the virus. These contain the smallest than the bacteria and the size is different nanometers, micrometers. Clear? Then we discuss the next one, the structure of the virus. Next one is the structure of virus. So we can say the structure of virus, it means the virus structure. Virus is a non-cellular organism, we can say acellular organism, acellular structure. Why? Because there is no cell membrane and no cytoplasm. Why it is only cellular? Because the cell membrane and cytoplasm is absent, only a covering of the protein and a nucleic acid present, genetic material present. So it is known as the acellular or non-cellular organism. Clear? So virus is a non-cellular organism. Virus is made up of two parts. Each virus is made up of two parts. That is the A part is known as the protein coat and B part is the nucleic acid. We can say here a virus is made up of the like this structure. We are making here a structure of virus. It is the structure of virus. Clear? It is made of the protein coat. It is the protein coat, the covering of the genetic material. It is known as the protein coat. And inside the protein coat, genetic material is present. Genetic material is present. That is the virus. Like this, like this. Like this, and present time a famous virus, the coronavirus. So these are the different type of the virus. Clear? Each and every virus, like is a SIV, like is a spherical, like pox virus, like is a bacteriophage, like a TMV, both plant and animal virus, both type of the virus. These are the virus, and each and every virus contain the two parts. First outer known as the protein coat. It is known as the protein coat. It is known as the protein coat, and inside the virus is known as the genetic material. It is known as the genetic material. Same here, the outer covering is known as the protein coat, and inside them the genetic material. So each virus is made of the two components. The outer covering is known as the protein coat or capsid, and inside the genetic material. Clear? And genetic material is a type of the nucleic acid, and it may be DNA or RNA. It is a very important thing here. Generally, all the living beings, other than the virus, all the living beings have the two type of the material. It means all the living beings are contain the two type of the nucleic acid, DNA, RNA both. In human body, we are contain the DNA and RNA both, but genetic material DNA. Where the genetic material DNA, the RNA is known as the non-genetic material. RNA is a non-genetic material, but in the organism the DNA is absent, then RNA is genetic material. So in all the virus, only one type nucleic acid present, either DNA or RNA. So we can say on the basis of the genetic material, we can say the virus are the two types, DNA virus or RNA virus. So we have classified the virus on the basis of genetic material, deoxyribovirus or RNA virus, DNA virus or RNA ribose virus. So each virus contain made of two parts. The first is the protein coat and second one is the nucleic acid. Clear? We discussed the first layer, the protein coat. It is the outer covering of virus. It is the outer covering. It is the outer covering of the virus. First thing, virus protein coat is called capsid. It is known as the another name that is known as the capsid. The protein coat is known as the capsid. Nucleic acid is surrounded by the protein coat. Clear? And it's surrounded the nucleic acid. In each virus, the nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, is surrounded by a thick covering, and this covering is known as the protein coat, or scientifically is known as the capsid. It is known as the capsid. The capsid is made up of the capsomeres. Capsid is made of the capsomeres. Capsomeres means these are each one. These one are known as the capsomere. It is known as the capsomere. The capsid is the made up of the capsomere. Capsomeres, it is the smallest unit. What is the capsomere? Smallest unit of the capsid. Generally, question is the unit of the capsid, that is known as the capsomere. The number of the capsomere are fixed in each virus. It is very important thing. It means each virus capsid is made up of the capsomere, and the capsomere number are fixed in each virus. Clear? We can say we are classifying the virus on the basis of number of capsomeres. For example, TMV is contains the 2130 capsomeres, adenovirus 252 virus capsomeres, Cy174 bacteriophage 12 capsomere. Clear? So each virus made of protein coat. Protein coat is known as the capsid. Capsid is made of the capsomere, and the number of the capsomere in each virus are fixed. For example, TMV in the medical exam, these are the 3 questions, or these example are 3 questions, and these TMV is to contain the 2130 capsomere, adenovirus 252, and Cy174 contain the capsomere 12. Clear thing? And each capsomere is made up of the amino acid. For example, in TMV virus, each capsomere is made up of the 158 amino acid. So we can say here each capsomere is made up of amino acid chain. Clear? It means the polypeptide chain are present. Clear? The amino acids are arranged in the polypeptide chain, so we can say the polypeptide chain. Clear? So we can say in TMV virus the 2130 is capsomere, and each capsomere, we have mentioned here, each capsomere is made up of 158 amino acid. Clear? So what will sequence? Amino acid make the polypeptide chain make the capsomere make the capsid. The capsid is known as the protein coat. It is the outer structure of the virus. Clear? We are mentioned this condition. Clear? We are clearly visible here that the amino acid make the polypeptide chain make the capsomere make the capsid. Clear? We explain that this amino acid make the PPC means polypeptide chain, it make the capsomere make the capsid. Yeah, other way, second way, the capsid are made of the capsomere made of the polypeptide chain, and polypeptide chain made of the amino acid. तो कैप्सिड किसका बना होता है बच्चों? कैप्सोमेर का. कैप्सोमेर किसका बना होता है? पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन का. और पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन किसकी बनी होती है? एमिनो एसिड की. तो द यूनिट ऑफ द प्रोटीन द एमिनो एसिड and protein cord is known as capsid. Capsid unit is capsomere, and capsomere made up of the polypeptide chain, and each polypeptide chain made of the amino acids. We can say in TMV, tobacco monozoic virus, the 150 amino acid make a capsomere and 2130 capsomere present. So we can say in a TMV how many amino acid are present. We multiply the 2130 into 150. That is the amount of the TMV virus protein amino acid. Clear? So the structure of virus, we can hear the structure of virus. The structure of virus is depend on the arrangement of the capsomere. There are different type of structure. The round like spherical like structure, these are the helical polygonal type of structure, heligonal, hexagonal, that is the rod shaped virus. So we can say the structure of the virus. Structure of the virus, you know very well the कोरोना वायरस, तो वो फेमस है, आपने डायग्राम देखे होंगे कोरोना वायरस कैसा होता है, गोल होता है, स्पेरिकल शेप में है, राउंड शेप में है, ठीक है. टीएमवी वो फेमस वायरस है, कैसा है, रोड लाइक, जैसे चौक है, दैट इज अ रोड शेप. ठीक है. आपके पास जो क्यूब होता है, क्यूब उस शेप के होते हैं, क्यूबिकल होते हैं, क्यूबिकल होंगे, हेलिकल होंगे, पॉलीगोनल होंगे, राउंड होंगे, स्पेरिकल होंगे, these are spiral form होंगे, these are the shape of the virus. We can say the shape of the virus are different shapes due to the presence of their capsomere arrangement. So initially we are saying the virus structure is the virus structure formed due to the arrangement of the capsomere. Clearly? और इजी लैंग्वेज में क्या बोलेंगे बेटा, बहुत सिंपल वे में, द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द वायरस इज बेस्ड ऑन द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ कैप्सोमियर. अगर मेरे पास ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ये ऐसे भी हो सकता है, अरेंजमेंट कैसे हो सकता है, द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द कैप्सोमियर. यहाँ पर जो अरेंजमेंट हो रहा है ये क्या है आपका, दिख रहा है रोड शेप पे, द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द कैप्सोमियर. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द कैप्सोमियर द वायरस स्ट्रक्चर, वायरस शेप इज फॉर्म. Clear? Generally the wires are the rod shape. For example TMV, we explain here, this diagram is like this. This type virus are known as the TMV, rod shape. ठीक है. Isohedral, tetrahedral, polygonal form like this. These are the hexagonal, polygonal, different types virus. Spherical shape like this. We can say virus are different types on the basis of their structure, and their structure on their basis of arrangement. So because the structure of the virus is depend on the arrangement of the capsomere. The shape of shape of virus, we can say the shape of virus is depend on the arrangement of the we can say the structure of virus, or we can say shape of virus. Here we mention shape of virus is depend on the arrangement of the capsomere. Clear? Next, the second one is the nucleic acid. So each virus contain a nucleic acid. Generally, each living cells, prokaryotic, mesokaryotic and eukaryotic, all the living cells. It may be prokaryotic bacteria, mycoplasma, it may be mesokaryotic diatoms, protozoa, and eukaryotes like plant and animals, fungi, biota, angio. The eukaryotic and prokaryotic and mesokaryotic, these are the cellular organization. So these cells are contained genetic material as a DNA. These cells are contain DNA as genetic material, and they function working genetic material is DNA, but the RNA is also present, because these organisms are represent the transcription, translation. Transcription and translation. So DNA convert to the RNA, and RNA are make the different type of proteins, and protein make the enzyme. These are follow the central dogma. They follow the central dogma. We are explaining here that all the living beings are represent the central dogma. What is the central dogma? Central dogma, a process of the living being. It means each living cell contains the genetic material as a DNA. The DNA convert to the RNA. RNA make the protein. Protein make the enzyme. Then reactions occur and product form and we are grow. क्लियर है? डीएनए से आरएनए फॉर्म हुआ, आरएनए से बनेगा प्रोटीन, प्रोटीन से एंजाइम, एंजाइम में क्या होगा? रिएक्शंस करेगा, बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शंस करेगा. मे बी कैटाबॉलिक और मे बी एनाबॉलिक. द रिएक्शन में भी टू टाइप्स, कैटाबॉलिक एंड एनाबॉलिक रिएक्शंस. क्लियर? तो द मेटाबॉलिज्म डिपेंड ऑन द एंजाइम. Enzyme are made up of the protein. Protein is made up of the different types of CHO compounds. Clear? So, protein are developed, formed by the translation. We can say protein are made of the amino acids. The amino acids are chain are formed by the translation, and translation is the process in which the RNA converts to the protein. And RNA, how do RNA form? DNA to RNA, the transcription. So, the central dogma is present. So, all the living beings are represent the central dogma, but the virus contain only one type genetic material, either DNA और RNA. दोनों नहीं होते, बाकी सभी में दोनों होते हैं. हमारी बॉडी में DNA RNA दोनों है, बट वायरस में केवल एक ही होता है. ये आपको याद रखना है. तो वायरस कंटेन ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ द न्यूक्लिक एसिड, ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ न्यूक्लिक एसिड, आइदर DNA एंड RNA. क्लियर? द जेनेटिक मटेरियल इज प्रेजेंट इन द कोर. व्हाट द मीन ऑफ द कोर? इट मीन्स सेंटर पोजिशन. In each diagram, in genetic material present in the center position, that is known as the core. Viral genome contain all type of genetic information. Viral genome contain the all type genetic information. The all type genetic information present inside the viral genome. ठीक है? Generally, the plant virus contain the RNA. Here, it is very important question in your NCERT book. The plant virus contain generally RNA and animal virus contain the DNA. Generally, the maximum plant virus contain the RNA genetic material and the maximum animal virus contain the DNA genetic material, and these genetic material may be SS or DS, single stranded or double stranded. But exceptions are present here. So generally, the plant virus contain the RNA genetic material and the animal virus contain DNA as a genetic material, but exceptions are present. Exceptions are present. For example, the animal virus, those contain the RNA. There are so many viruses. Those are animal viruses but contain the RNA as a genetic material. Best example is HIV. Animal virus contain the RNA. The best example is HIV, Rio virus, wound tumor virus. HIV the AIDS virus. You know very well AIDS. एड्स में जो वायरस होता है क्या होता है? HIV. और HIV जो वायरस है बच्चों, उसका जेनेटिक मटेरियल क्या होता है? RNA. तो याद रखना मुझे चाहिए. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं एक ऐसे वायरस का नाम बताइए जिसके अंदर RNA जेनेटिक मटेरियल होता है, एनिमल वायरस का, HIV वायरस. क्लियर? सेकेंड इज द प्लांट वायरस, दोज कंटेन द DNA. प्लांट वायरस. सेकेंड इज द प्लांट वायरस, दोज कंटेन द DNA, जिनमें DNA होता है. जनरली मैंने कहा जनरली कहाँ होता है? RNA होता है. परंतु बहुत सारे प्लांट वायरस ऐसे भी जिनमें DNA होता है. तो दिस इज एग्जांपल. द प्लांट वायरस दोज कंटेन DNA. द कोलिमो वायरस, CMV वायरस होता है, कोलामी वायरस होता है, एंड पोटैटो लीफ रोल वायरस, PLRV, पोटैटो लीफ रोल वायरस. These are the virus, plant virus, but they contain the DNA as a genetic material. Clear? So, on the structure of the virus, we have discussed the first protein part and second is the nucleic acid. We discussed the type of the genetic material here, the DNA and RNA, then the standard of the DNA RNA we will discuss later. Please note down here. I hope you understand. So, please note down.